Do you need a quick loan in Kenya? Let's talk about the best loan apps and whether they are worth it. From instant approvals, low interest rates, I am going to break down the best loan apps and how you can access each and every of them. I will also talk about the pros and cons of each and every of these loan apps so that you can make your decision wisely. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, this is Ann Kiki and please make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna talk about the best loan apps in Kenya. These are loan apps that I have tried, I have used them, and you guys know because I did videos of these loan apps. I tried getting a loan from each and every of these apps, and so I know the benefits, the pros, the cons, and the interest rates for each and every of them. I'm gonna share with you my best 5 loan apps, and I hope you guys will comment down below and tell me your opinions. Have you tried these loan apps? Let's get straight into them. The first loan app is Okash. Why I love Okash is the quick disbursement that you get. Once you apply that loan, you quickly get it in your account. They don't waste time, they do not delay. Another thing is the flexible loan amounts. They increase as you borrow the loans and pay on time, and they can go up to 50,000 Kenya shillings. Of course, I did not wait for my limit to get there, but within no time, my loan limit had grown up to 7,000. So that means if I was patient enough, I would have grown my loan limit up to 50,000, but this only happens if you pay your loans on time and you pay them as per the agreement. Cons of this loan app is the interest rates are super high. I'm not going to lie, they are very high. The interest can even go up to 36%. Can you imagine taking a loan and paying it at an interest of 36%? That means if, for example, you take a loan of 1,000, you might pay 360 as the interest. It is quite high and unreasonable sometimes, but in terms of efficiency, this is the best loan app because you're going to get your money instantly. And also, if you pay your loan late, as in after the due date, then you are going to decrease your credit scores, and that means your interest or your loan limit is not going to increase ever. Now, the second loan app is Zenka. I'm gonna assure you that Zenka is one of the best loan apps in Kenya because I know the best thing I love about Zenka is that your first loan is usually free of interest. So if you go and download that app for the first time and you borrow a loan immediately, you are not going to pay that loan with any interest. So it would be good for those people who are trying to get a loan for the first time and they have no other intentions of going back to get the loan. If you get 2,000 shillings, you will repay back that 2,000 without any interest. Another thing I've just remembered I love about Zenka is the credit score is usually high. They rate somebody very high because my first time using the Zenka app, my loan limit was 2,000. So imagine it is my first time and the limit is already high, 2,000. Most loan apps usually give you a limit of like 500 shillings, 700, but for Zenka I got a 2,000 loan limit. Also, the minimal requirements are usually very minimal and so everyone can easily get the loans. Now, the cons is the interest rates again. The interest rates are usually super high. I think this is the loan app that I found to have one of the highest loan interest rates, and I feel like it really discourages people and it's so hard to, keep on getting loans from them because there's no way you can keep paying all that much interest. And also because the repayment period is usually short. Okay, not that short because some loans you're given a repayment period of up to 90 days. It's just that some loans, let's say you have a loan of around 50,000 and then you have to pay a very high interest and the period is 90 days, then it becomes quite hard, especially if you're a beginner or you don't have very high income. Now I just decided to fix this. It's not a loan app, but I feel like Fuliza, M-Pesa Fuliza is something that people should consider. It has so many advantages, and if you want Fuliza in cash, you can actually send it to somebody and then they give you the cash, or you can go and pay in excess and then you're given back the cash, like that. I feel like if I wanted a loan right now, the first thing I will go to, even before I go to loan apps, is Fuliza, because Fuliza has, okay, the interest rate is not high, even though it accumulates each and every day, like daily. It doesn't accumulate so much, because I think it's usually 1% of the amount you pick per day. Yeah, so although it could be accumulative if you decide not to pay the Fuliza after a very long time, if you decide to stay with that loan for so long, then definitely you'll pay a high interest. But if you're looking for a loan with low interest, Fuliza is it. The limit is going to increase as you repay back your Fuliza on time, although it's a con because the limit increases at a very low rate. That is, for me, I started at a Fuliza rate of, I think, 1,500, and I'm stuck there. And it's not like I don't Fuliza, I usually do, but yeah, the limit does not increase, so it's a con. My fourth loan app is Branch. I cannot finish this video without mentioning Branch because it is quite a good loan app. For Branch, I love it because the loan limits usually increase with time, and they increase quite well, quite good. Every time you repay your loan, the limit increases. I really, really love this about Branch. Another thing, the interest rates are low compared to other loan apps. Branch is usually very, very considerate, and they give you a loan limit, or a loan repayment time that is realistic. They give you enough time to repay back your loan, from up to 30 days and 90 days. It just depends with the loan that you pick. And then for Branch, they don't check your CRB. They just give you loans without checking CRB. They don't need any collateral, in short. They just give you the loans like that. So I really, really recommend it. The only disadvantage is their customer service is very poor. Like, if you have a complaint, by the time you get to talk to their customer care, you have struggled. But in everything else, Branch is so good, especially the fact that their loan interests are usually so low. I think it's usually 13%. It is one of the most realistic loan apps I've come to use, or I've come across. I really, really love Branch. If I was to rank them, Branch will be number one. Yeah, it really saved me, especially when I was in campus. Now, at number 5 is Tala. Tala is very friendly, especially if you are a beginner in loan apps. It's easy to use the loan app. First of all, it's very friendly. Although if you download it in one phone, CG, you can't download the app in one phone twice or something of that sort. But everything else is good. It is almost the same as Branch. I would rank them the same. The interest rates are not so high, and it increases your limit as you borrow. So the more you borrow, the more your limit increases, which is quite a good thing. I really, really appreciate that. Your loan limit can grow quite fast. It can grow from 500 to 30,000 immediately, as long as you're borrowing and paying. You're borrowing and paying. You can even borrow today and pay. Limit kesho kikuja, it is higher. You borrow again and pay, and it goes higher, like that, like that. So you could actually grow your limit up to very high levels and end up even taking money for business or something of that sort. Now, the cons, their repayment period also is not usually very, it doesn't give you a repayment period that is enough or realistic. It gives you a repayment period of 30, 60 days. Okay, I think when it comes to repayment period, it depends with the amount of loan that you're borrowing, because there's no way, just like I have explained, you can't borrow so much money and then they expect you to pay within 2 months. that is usually the con when it comes to most of these loan apps. They give you a very limited time to repay your loan. I wish they could give us even up to 365 days. That would be very realistic, because I would be taking a big loan like 50k, and then I pay most bila raka 1,000 per month or something. Yeah, so I feel like those are the pros and cons of these loan apps. I might have forgotten, so please comment down below, remind me what I've forgotten. Share with us, guys, what is your favorite loan app to use. Those are my 5 favorite, and there are so many other loan apps. I think in the next video I'll talk about now the most unpopular loan apps that are very, very good, because you have loan apps that are not popular but they are so good and they give you instant loans. I've tried almost all loan apps on Google Play Store. Just check my playlist on loan apps and you'll see all the reviews, all the loan apps I tried, and whether they gave me a loan or not. Yeah, so you guys go ahead and try checking those videos and you'll gain more insight. These are my opinions, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you've given it a like. Please smash the like button. I really do appreciate whenever you watch my videos and leave a like, because it makes me know that you guys want this kind of videos, and so I'll be doing those kind of videos more often. So please make sure you leave a like to that video. It makes me plan better for you guys. My job is to deliver. I love delivering to you. That's it, guys. That's it for today. I hope to see you guys in the next video, but in the meantime, please watch my other videos. I've done so many videos here on YouTube, and you have no excuse, you have no reason not to watch those videos and grow yourself. At the end of the day, that is the goal, to grow together. Yep. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.